Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Snapchat suspicious login attempts. So let's get started. So if someone is logged into your Snapchat account suspiciously and you want to fix that problem, so to fix that what you can do is to simply change your account's password, and by changing your account's password the access for your account will be denied for that person. So what you can do is just simply open up your Snapchat and then tap on your profile icon which is on the top left. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right and then tap on password. After tapping on password, now what you can do is just simply enter your account's password. But if your account's password has been changed, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then recover your password through your phone or email. So I know my account's password, so what I can do is just simply enter the password. After entering your account's password, what you can do is just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, now you have to create a new password for your account. So what you can do is just simply enter the new password and then confirm that password. And after doing that, now what you can do is just tap on save, and after tapping on save here, you can see guys your password has been updated and changed. So that's it guys. In this way you can fix suspicious login attempts on your Snapchat account. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.